Hello everyone, myself Boishakhi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss the formula and the sign convention for the chapter Light Reflection and Refraction for CBSE Class 10 students. Please see the video up to the end and note all formulas. At first, we will write here convention, that is sign convention. Let it is the mirror or lens. And it is the object this is the convention. This side positive and this side positive. This is negative and this is negative. So object is placed at the left side of the, this is pole or optical center. For mirror it is called pole and for lens it is called optical center. Okay, this is O. So object is placed on left side of the O. That's why the distance is always negative. That is minus U. And the object size is always positive because towards that side. Okay. So it will be plus O. So minus U is object distance and plus O is object size, and therefore let the image is formed on that side. So image will always formed on the right side of the O. That's why that distance will be always plus V, where V is image distance and the height of the object is minus I, because on that side it is negative. That is image size. Okay, so we will note down that U will always negative and here O is always positive. Okay, for and V is always positive and I is negative here. So focal length will be negative for concave lens or concave mirror, and focal length will be positive for convex lens or convex mirror. Okay, so that is sign convention. Now the basic formula for the lens or mirror are basic formula. Please note down the formula. to solve the problem. At first, Lenz formula is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, where f equals to focal length, v equals to image distance, and u equals to object distance. Number 2, mirror formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. For lens it will be minus, for mirror it will be plus. Okay, and for mirror, focal length f will be r by 2, where r equals to radius of curvature of mirror. Number 3, magnification m equals to I by O, where I equals to image size, O equals to object size. So, for lens, it will be equals to V by U, and for mirror it will be equals to minus V by U. Okay. Number 4, power of lens. P equals to 1 by f, where f should be in meter and the unit is diopter. Okay, unit diopter, and f is in meter. Okay, so for magnification there are some rules. At first we will mention that rules. That is, magnification determines the nature and size of the image. Okay, if m equals to positive, then image will be virtual and erect, and if m equals to negative, then image will be real and inverted. If m less than 1, then the image size will be diminished. If m equals to 1, then image will be of same size with that of object, and if m greater than 1, then image size will be enlarged. Okay, next we will go to formula number 5, that combined power for n number of lens that will P total equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dot 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 Pn. Number 6, combined focal length for n number of lens. That will be 1 by Ft equals to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by Fn. Number 7, formula for refractive index. Let this is medium 1 and this is medium 2, and if light ray falls on medium 1 and move to medium 2, then if light ray passes from medium 1 to medium 2, then let n is the normal drawn from medium 1 and medium 2, that is n, and I is let angle of incidence, and r is angle of refraction, and that is incident ray, and that is refracted ray, and let C1 is the speed of light in medium 1 and C2 is the speed of light in medium 2, then the refractive index N21, that is refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, will be equals to, from Snell's law, sin I by sin R. Another formula is equals to C1 by C2. Another formula will equals to 1 by N12. So if we know that value of refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2, then by reciprocal the value, we can get the value of N21. Okay? And another formula is N2 by N1, where N2 is absolute refractive index of second medium and N1 is absolute refractive index of first medium. Okay, here N2 is absolute refractive index of second medium and N1 is absolute refractive index of first medium. Okay, and N21 equals to refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Okay, so this is the formula for calculation of refractive index. So guys, thank you for watching. In next video I will come with problem of this chapter. Please wait, will come soon.